Hi everybody, it's Nadia here, and I'm bringing to you an unusual unboxing, but it's not an unusual unboxing. I saw somebody go on about the Bobbi Brown eyeshadows, and I actually really liked one particular eyeshadow. So I was like, I'll go across to Bobbi and see how much. £27. I was like, will I use it enough as I would a palette? And I was like, yeah, I probably would do actually, because it is such a beautiful inner corner thinger. So anyway, you don't want to hear me rattle on. So I decided to buy it anyway. Well, while I was looking on Bobbi Brown, I saw this like beauty box, influencers box or whatever it was, and I was like, hey, what's this? So I clicked on it, had a look, and it is a beauty box. So I was like, I checked the contents. So I was like, it's £25, but what you got in it was way more than £25. But it also meant that it would have cost me £5 to get the eyeshadow here, so technically it cost me £20. So I was like, yeah, that's a bargain. I'll show you the eyeshadow first and then that's out of the way. So I was like, yes, I'm gonna have my colour, brilliant, yeah, can't wait. It's in stunning packaging, really is gorgeous packaging. I was like, oh, you can tell this is pricey. This is a bougie one. I opened it up, went like that and went, that is not a colour I'm going to wear every single day. It's like, it's supposed to be Moonstone Opal. Is that Moonstone Opal to you? So I'm not swatching it because obviously I'm taking it back. You also get three gifts. So I got this Bobbi Brown, and then I need my glasses for this. No, you got 2 free gifts on this one. And this is the, because you pick your own, this is the Bobbi Brown, and I've been wanting to try this for ages, eye repair cream. It's a sample, and I was like, I'll try that one. Then there was the Bobbi Brown lip gloss. I'm not really a lip gloss person, but if it's nice and it can chuck it in my handbag, it's a lip gloss. It was a code, because they've got another different code up this week, but there was a code that you put in and you got a free something. Well, this time it was a free lipstick, and it's in Babe. So I was like, not bad so far, not doing too bad. I'm quite happy with this. Little Money Bobbi Brown. In a really gorgeous colour that I would actually wear. But this feels like it's stuck. It's really stiff. Oh, there we go. And you get quite a bit of lipstick out of it. I was like, go me. So that was my little find. There's a Bobbi Brown bag that says to and from. To and from. So it's just like a little canvas bag. So that's really, I didn't even know this was coming. Whether it was part of the box, I don't know. There's the beauty box, guys. So this is called the Beauty Box Funmi Fatio. So the first thing that I am going to say that is the only thing that drew me to this box and nothing else was when I worked out the cost, it had a neat cheek pop in it, and I know these are roughly £20. So for me, with what else is in here, it was worth getting, because this is a full size Clinique cheek pops, and this one's in Berry Pop. It is a little bit bright, but you don't put it on like that anyway. But I have found these that you when it goes onto a brush, it's a lot lighter than when you swatch it, I must admit. I don't know about this one because I had the Jonathan Adler ones, but them ones I have to really build up. So alone, I was happy just having that. Crushed lip colour from Bobbi Brown in Ruby. So I was like, so I actually get 2. And again, this is totally different colour. This is like a brownie nude. It's like full lipstick. I know it's not because it's thinner, but I just like them two alone are worth, these two bits alone are worth it. They really are. Prep and Prime Natural Radiant Base Luminizer from MAC Prep. So I'm still happy. I'm still happy and still going. Then I got the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depop. Now, I've heard a lot about this and I really wanted to try it. So I was like, this gives me the perfect sample to try it. So that is what it looks like, guys. Then I got the Estee Lauder Pure Colour Envy Lash in MV01 Black, and I was like, yes, a mini mascara, because I love my mini mascaras. I don't use a full one. I end up, I'll keep it for like 2 years because I use it once a week. So these ones are so much better for me and so much better quality. Can't wait to give that a try. Then this Dolphin Paris Hydra Skin Light. Oh, it's a gel cream. It just says all day skin hydrating cream gel, normal to combination. Oh, that's perfect for me because that is what I am. So I will definitely be giving these a good whack out and see. This is the actual tube. It's just like a subscription box, and I didn't even know Bobbi Brown did anything like this. Then they've got the Aveda Be Curly Curl Enhance Smooth generously on damp hair, dry naturally or blow dry. Well, this would be perfect for me because I can, as you can see, I don't do anything with beer anyway, so this will just be nice to put in and see if it gives me a little bit more waves. This one was a bit of a bummer. This is the available in 50 shades, which I didn't know. It's the double wear 24-hour long wear makeup, find your perfect shade. Now, the only thing that I like about it is they haven't sent you a shade. The only thing I don't like about it is you've got to go to the shop, and the shop will give you a sample of foundation. So, but I think the bottles are a little bit smaller. So, definitely going to keep, but I'm going to see if I can get the tester on the new one that's out, because I don't want to fork out, because I've just bought that new Jouer one. So it's another one that I don't want to pay out for. And then we've got this new, even better, Clinical Dark Spot Corrector and Optimizer. And this is Clinique's two-pronged approach for brightness and even tones. So it's like a little two-step serum. So it looks like that when you buy it, but obviously they put the two together. These are so worth it if you want to try something out. It's like the perfect, but from now on I'm going to be keeping an eye on Bobbi Brown's website. I know, I'm really sorry they have sold out of this box, but I don't know whether to bring more out. so I can't give you any more details. I just was fortunate enough to get my hands on it. Hope you enjoyed that unboxing. And guys, if you did, and you're new to this channel, would love you to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell, and it'll let you know when I bring out a new video, because YouTube again are messing around and people aren't getting the notifications. I know on my own personal YouTube channel, not this what I'm talking to you guys on, I don't get notifications anymore of any of them, and I watch probably about 50-60 people. So, and not to get a ting bell or nothing, it's a little bit ridiculous. And some people I watch have got big subscribers, and some people I watch have got little subscribers, and I prefer the little subscribers like me. As in, I've got to tell you that this is the best thing since sliced bread, when actually you ate it, but you've got to do it because you've got a contract with them, which I've seen a lot of YouTubers do. And that's just my personal opinion. So I do a lot of personal opinions. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.